watching peaceful moments slide away. No need to rush, let the time stand still. Resting gently on the windowsill. Listen to the low note space out wide, floating on a slow and gentle tide. Feel the vibration deep and low, taking it easy, taking it slow. Subtle echoes in the quiet space, peace surrounded in this cozy place. Slow sub-bass that clean and deep, lulling every heavy thought to sleep. Subtle echoes. Clouds drifting in a boundless sky, watching quiet signals passing by. Clear soundscape with a velvet hum, waiting for the gentle beat to come. Listen to the low note space out wide, slow and gentle tide. Feel the vibration deep and low, taking it easy, taking it slow. Subtle echoes in the quiet space, peace surrounded in this cozy place. Sub-bass that clean and deep, lulling every heavy thought to sleep. Subtle echoes. Amber lights glowing in the dark, every quiet note a glowing spark. Mind is settled, spirit feeling free, living inside simple harmony. Hear the piano notes so soft and clear, bringing total comfort right in here. Riding on a velvet frequency, deepest resonance in memory. Slow bass drop, smooth and round. could ever ask for any more. Purity of sound down in the low. Watch the steady golden energy grow. Hear the piano notes so soft and clear, bringing total comfort right in here. Riding on a velvet frequency, deepest resonance and memory. Slow bass drop, smooth and round, most peaceful rhythm to be found. Velvet frequency. Velvet frequency. Star deep horizon. Stars appearing in the velvet blue, staying right here listening with you. Ocean singing its eternal song. This is where our calm minds belong. Feel the sub bass hit so clean and white, safe and warm inside the quiet night. Looking out across the deep horizon, sweetest melody we set our eyes on. Spacious, delayed, open, warm, keeping us protected from the storm. Deep horizon. driving on a coastal road, lifting off the heavy daily load. Cool air blowing through the open glass, watching quiet city moments pass. Guitar strumming gently in the space, reflecting peace upon your smiling face. Floating with the slow and tranquil tide, nothing left for us to hide. Subwoofer hums so deep and tight, guiding us gently through the night. Tranquil tide. It's tranquil tide. Street lights flashing red and gold, stories that remain untold. Clean production, crisp and high, underneath the endless starry sky. Guitar strumming gently in the space, reflecting peace upon your smiling face. Floating with the slow and tranquil tide, nothing left for us to hide. Subwoofer hums so deep and tight, guiding us gently through the night. Tranquil tide. Tranquil tide. Silence in motion, stillness floating in the open room, chasing off the heavy clouds of gloom. Softest breath inside the quiet air, spreading tranquility everywhere. Listen closely as the low end swells, ring out like the quiet silver bells. Living inside, silence in motion, deep and calm like the quiet ocean. Slow sub-bass pulses, soft and clear, bringing peace to everyone right here. Silence in motion. Timeless beauty in the simple sound, best